Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Free Website Code. Today we create a amazing login form which are using HTML CSS. We can see a wavy CSS. When we click username, there is a border, and password also a border. When we hover login, hover color is green. Also a shadow color is red. This login form looks amazing for this nice amazing background image. We will provide the source code in video tutorial. Also we will give the boilerplate download link in video description. Please keep watching this video and learn more by practice yourself. This is our boiler template index.html, and this is our style.css file. CSS file are blank. Here is our file structure: index.html file, background image file, and style.css file. Let's start coding. After complete our coding, we can see our login form is working perfectly. Hover button are working, and username, border, password border and web are also working. We can see our red shadow are working, and background image looks very amazing. If you feel any problem, please contact us. Our social platform, social links and template download links we will provide in video description. Keep watching this video and learn more. Stay with us. Thank you.